as Russia tries and repair their damaged tanks as they can't produce them quick enough to compensate for their losses. When a Ukrainian drone spotted a Russian tank towing another tank, it had to ensure no tank could get repaired. The drone starts flying with the tanks and drops a payload that hits in between the tanks, correcting their aim and targeting the pulling tank, hitting well on the front section, causing the driver to cross over the terrain to try and avoid the drone. But as the leading tank got damaged, the crew stopped and abandoned the vehicle after a while, leading to the drone being able to take its time to strike the tanks. Hitting the back section, causing a small fire. Later targeting the towed tank, hitting on top of the cope cage with explosive reactive armor to damage and remove this protection, hitting the back section of the other tank either on the chassis or turret, causing massive damage, leaving 2 destroyed tanks. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.